talk about the home page. So you can see here it says welcome to After Effects, and then it'll say your name. And you can see that on the home page, there's a whole bunch of options. Now in the previous 2 videos, we've talked about how to create a new project and how to open a project, okay? But then you have the home button or the home menu. Then we have learn, we have new team project and open team project. Then we have a search option here, the what's new option, and then account, okay? And then we have recent, okay? So it will show the recent project that we opened, which is Untitled Project, okay? And then up here we have Learn Video Essentials. So keyframe animation, animate an object, create dynamic movement, and then animate multiple layers. Okay, so you can start the tutorial there. You can also try something new. Go to Learn, okay, which is this. Excuse me. So that is the home page, all right? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.